sipendangi seafood. Sasa lobster ndo nitapenda.
Unajua kupika fish?
Naonanga ni
Conut, watch YouTube video.
Watch YouTube video. Oh my god, I just got my favorite camera. Oh my god, this is so nice. This is the best surprise ever.
Been through more than a little bit, but I ain't calling no names out. No free promotion.
It came with a tripod. It's the Canon DSLR M50. Come God, extra. Oh my god. Look at how portable it is. Oh my god, my vlogs are about to be leaked. I can't wait. Iko poa. Hey. Yes. So it came with the charger, of course. Strap. The tripod is here. Oh my god.
Sasa ningeko video na iPhone ndio inakaa better.
Excuse me, what? Only where Victoria's Secret. I'm sorry if I made you feel less than who you are, a little insecure.
What? Yes. Girl,
Cut gun. Uko na? Nimetoa. But I'm on my phone. Sije. So mimi nashangaa na ampo mimi.
honey off the rocks. Alafu, ooh. After forks. Let's go eat. Yes. I know. Nani hapa? Any like jam shop favorite? Alafu ndo hii place ya Chinese. Yeah. But sipo, mimi nimekula hapa It wasn't that good as in okay, hapa kuna kapopo. Hii place na kapoa. Ndio hii nyingine, hii ni ka Japanese.
I think the original
Padme cut.
Okay,
yeah.
So, hi guys. Today we are at Village Market, and this is my first time trying at Village Market, and this is the first time trying Asian food. And we're at OCHA. Not good.
Sijui right hata. Like iko na
OCHA. We're at OCHA Village Market, and I'm going to try this food. Highly recommended by the waiter who served us. And I don't even know what this is. It's a chopstick.
Yep. Yep. Low Jays. If you die, you die.
Oh no. I would like taste this.
Sawa, baby, to Google. Is it that? Is it nice?
Sindo inakuangoja kwanza kabla ni destroy the image. Ni wa kufanya hivi.
What is kiki walai?
So guys, we are literally googling how to
eat with chopsticks.
Yeah. What did you learn?
How you hold them? You hold them. Is it like this?
Hold it like a pencil.
A pencil, but they
as a pencil. And then one third. The first one on that, and then the second one, hold it between your ring finger and
your middle finger.
Yeah, and try. Just try it. Go for it.
Wait. Do you? Oh no, to watch YouTube video.
Watch YouTube video. Okay. You just have to do it on the YouTube.
A few inches later.
Do you? Yep. I can do it again. Okay. Yeah, good on. Let's try out. So, like this. So, they said, okay, I'm a good crammer, so the first chopstick you hold it like a pencil, 1/3. I think this is 1/3.
Watch video. Watch video. I'm chakula itapoa.
Okay, 1/3, and then this is this. Okay, Mungu wangu. Okay. Okay, but the food is nice. It feels healthy. Sijui kama pia unafaa kutafuta hiyo maana za Chinese wa kukula. They eat like this.
Okay.
Sandra's food. I like Sandra's food much more than mine.
It's chicken.
We'll just check in the nini.
Japanese, I think. Put the links in the description.
Yeah. Or here. We are survivors. We are hustlers. We're just going to soldier this and take the nini chopsticks home.
Wacha tu try. Tumelipia. Definitely would recommend.
So, I'm still full in a good way, not in a bad way. Definitely recommend OH CHA. Hi guys, at Village Market, I'm trying to look for games for lunch. We're thinking about the trampoline. The Plaza you're going to leave Solange is at Ozone Trampoline Park. For everything you're going to pay 950 shillings, but please remember to come with your socks. Solange didn't come with the socks, so you're going to find some socks in barter because the socks is, imagine they're selling the socks at 250 Kenyan shillings. So we're going to barter to find some cheaper socks because guy, who's going to pay our socks for 250? Not me.